Yang go koki, kepala ngendan tongo. Apa kendong? Kendong dia makawa pogo. Mafu penje enuzu. Enuzu wa Cameroon. Ah, we are lovely at a moment.
Yes.
Oh
my God.
My
My mom is an expert in Koki, guys, so I cannot wait. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, I'm really excited. My mom is making Koki beans. Koki beans happens to be one of my favorites, and this is one of the food that my mom used to cook. My mom's Koki beans, don't joke. So today, she's making a special one. Guys! So as you can see, she's getting the leaves together. This is cocoyam leaves. Oh my God! Belemejao. Mukambombi. Poor food blame pat. Malango ongono. I haven't used this to do such a work, but today we're going to be trying it out. I've seen a couple of reviews. I mean, people posting videos about them blending foodstuff with juicer. So we are going to be using this juicer to blend or to grind this Koki. Hopefully it goes well. Let's try it and see. So basically, this juicer did not work. We're gonna switch it to a blender. Yeah, take a look at it. Like it's not. No, this is not it. It is not good. So we cannot use this juicer. We're just gonna use regular stuff. So our Koki is all blended. The leaves are ready, and here is salt and Maggi. So all what is needed for this delicious meal is Maggi and salt. Maggi and salt. Yes. Okay. Okay, so mom is actually saying that we're gonna heat the oil with Maggi and salt together. You know Maggi bang Oh. Okay. So here's the oil. So as you can see, we have salt in here. So in this pot we have Maggi, salt, oil. My mom just added a little bit of water. So that when you mix it like this, the salt and Maggi, they all distribute equally. All right. Ooh. Yes, this is my mom's Koki, y'all. Ooh. So mom says we need more water. So if it was me, this is enough. But she says we need more water. So we are adding salt. Oh my God, I didn't know we need all this water. It's still strong and strong. I want to tell you. Oh my God. Water plenty you. Water nang malima eh. Is it itchy? We still adding water, yo. Oh my God.
How are you
Yes,
cooking?
my mom is cooking Koki.
You're cooking cookies?
Yes.
Okay.
So you will finally eat this one.
Okay.
How's it special?
You sleep.
I sleep too, Mama. I sleep too.
You know
No.
because I work.
Yes, we went to bed late. Very late.
3 o'clock.
Yes,
Ma,
3 o'clock.
come.
Hey.
Ooh. Oh, wait. So guys, normally in the village, before we cook Koki, we put sticks or banana leaf, whatever, underneath the pot so that it doesn't burn the pot. You see, mommy is putting some sticks, just soya sticks.
You guys have been doing it wrong way all along. Mom has to come from all the way to
Oh
the
no,
room,
are you
from one village
serious?
to show you guys how to do it.
Get out of here, my friend. So yes, this is it. So because we do not have banana leaves to tie it, we are going to use this plastic wrap as well as this aluminum foil to tie our Koki. So yeah, I mean, we have to compromise, right? So this is what we're going to use. It's not an easy thing, but we got to manage. Okay. There is this thing that my mom used to make, we call belimpat. So she would take a very small amount of Koki beans and then put a lot of cocoyam leaves. So we have tied. Oh, okay. So she calls this belimpat. It's more of leaves than the beans. All right, we call this bijé testing. This is what we used to taste. Oh, tiny. It's a lot of Koki, y'all. Oh my God, guys. I just tasted the test. What's that, tester? That I put in there. And it was so good. Right now, I feel tempted. I feel like removing the very first one that I tied so we can start eating before the thing even gets done. Oh my God, I cannot wait. Ooh. I'm telling you guys, it is not done yet, but I've got to eat. I cannot wait. So we have to start with this. So one of the disadvantages of using foil paper to tie is that a lot of the times, if you're not careful, oil is going to spill out. As you can see, some of the oil came out, but we'll be okay. It is not bad. And my Koki is ready. And it's very juicy.